This is a storyboard. Now, storyboards are used to plan and design how you want a project to look. And what you basically do is design each interface that's going to be used in that project, draw it out, and then show its connectivity. Now, some key things to know about a storyboard is that it shows all the details of what's on each page. Okay, so in this example, we're looking at a website. So as you can see, this screen here is the home page and it's named index HTML. On this page here, you can clearly see the heading. It's highlighted where the buttons are, and you can see arrows coming out from the buttons and where they lead. Now, this storyboard here is in black and white. So I'm going to actually describe what all the colors look like. But you can also use color as well. Okay, but you're trying to generate what kind of theme your website's going to have. Now, if we look at our buttons here, we can see this is going to lead to 4 different pages. So let's take a look at the carbs button. When I click on that button, it takes me to this section of the website. Once again, you can see at the top the name of the actual web page. You can see lines that represent the content on the page and headings of what the content's going to be about. Okay, if we go around, there's another page. This time we can see a YouTube video has been embedded in. Okay, it doesn't show the video or the name of it, but it shows what represents it. We can also see our navigation buttons down the side. Okay, so we'll go to vitamins and minerals. Here we can see it's broken up, and we've shown that we're going to have a variety of different images, and we've just got little things written on those boxes to represent what type of images we might have on our site. Okay, and then finally we'll look at the last section of the site on fats. Okay, and here it's going to have some points and some pros and cons, okay, of where people can enter their information into forms. Okay, so that's just basically how a storyboard shows us a lot of information about what we plan on doing. Remember, it's a planning tool. We don't do a storyboard at the end of our project. We do it before we make it. We try to build it then in software and see how it turns out. Okay, it's there to be used, referred back to. We can reevaluate it, but it is a designing tool. We generally draw them.